Vegetable. The vegetables on the stove. We're talking, said Daddy. I insist upon being well cooked, said Mr. Leader Potato. To my mind, that is nonsense. The cook arranges the heat, and puts us on the stove, when she wants to, said one of the string beans. She takes us off, when she sees fit. And, she gives us, just what she wants in the way of salt, and pepper, and butter. Yes, can you imagine her saying, Mr. Bean, have you enough salt? Neither would she say, went on the stewed corn, are you quite warm enough, Mr. Corn, or are you too warm? I will open a window if you wish. No, we do exactly as we're told. Mr. Potato, you are wrong. Yes, I grieve to admit it, but you are quite wrong. I insist upon being well cooked, because, if I am not well cooked, I am extremely horrid to eat, repeated Mr. Leader Potato. I am hard, and not done at all. No one likes me then. So, they find it as well to cook me properly. We all should be cooked properly, said the others. You all should, it is true, said Mr. Leader Potato. But, it is absolutely important, that I should be well cooked. A half-cooked potato is, so extremely disagreeable. But, as he was talking, along came the cook to mash potato, and his family, for dinner was almost ready. How much fussing over I require, said Mr. Potato proudly. For more videos subscribe and like my channel.